So today we are going to start revision number 1 of chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Okay, so now let us go through the different types of questions in this chapter. First, definition based questions. Definition based question means जो arithmetic progression का जो definition है, based on that some questions are there that I will tell you one by one. And second type is nth term of an AP based questions, and the third one is sum of n terms of an AP based question. So ये main three categories हैं. So definition based questions में first है to identify the list of numbers from an AP. That means you have to check whether it is the list of numbers forming an AP or not. The next one, if AP is given, you have to write A and D, that is first term and common difference. And to write AP, if A and D are given, if first term and the common difference is given, then you have to write AP. So these are three different types of questions. Now nth term of an AP, first type of question to find which term. Okay, which term if AP is given. For AP is given, and suppose we need to find एक 10, 12, 13, 14 ऐसा कुछ एक AP दिया हुआ है 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and we need to find 100 is which term, like that one question will be there. And second, to find the term if other two terms are given. Suppose 7th term or 10th term is given and you have to find 20th term, like that. To find AP, if any other two terms are given, these two are interlinked, similar है, यहाँ पे केवल term find करना और यहाँ पर AP find करना है. Now the fourth type of question is to find the nth term from the end, and next to find the number of terms of an AP. Now this is very important for this part. Okay, next one, word problems. nth term में word problems है, and the last one additional questions. इसमें किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस इसमें कवर करेंगे. Some proof related questions is also there, that also we'll see. Okay, so now let us move towards the next topic, that is sum of n terms. First type, to find Sn if AP is given. To find Sn based on some condition. Condition means मान लो फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है एंड सेकेंड टर्म इज गिवन, फर्स्ट सेकेंड टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इज गिवन, और एनी अदर टू टर्म्स आर गिवन एंड n is given. So some conditions will be there, based on that you have to find Sn. Next type is Sn to An based questions, and next An to Sn based questions, and the last one is word problem. ये वाला पार्ट केवल कुछ एक दो क्वेश्चंस करके छोड़ देंगे क्योंकि ये डिलीटेड है. डिलीटेड, हालांकि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में भी एक वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स डिलीटेड था, बट एक सैम्पल पेपर में दिया था, तो हम लोग ऐसे रिवाइज कर लेंगे. ओके, एंड द लास्ट वन इज एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस. एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, दैट विल आई विल एक्सप्लेन फ्यू क्वेश्चंस व्हेन वी विल डू द रिविजन ऑफ सम ऑफ n terms of an AP. So I am going to divide this revision into 3 sessions. Okay, 3 revision. This today is revision number 1. We will cover these questions, these all. और इस ये वाला स्टार्ट करेंगे, देखेंगे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हम लोग कर सकते हैं. तो जैसे ये दोनों, ये वाला पार्ट कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, ये वाला पार्ट. Okay, first 2 or 3 types we will try to complete. And the second session I will wind up nth term of an AP. Then we'll come towards some few questions from sum of n terms. Last term हम लोग फिर last revision में हम लोग third revision में पूरा wind up करेंगे. Okay, so now let us start with the heading, that is the topic arithmetic progression. Definition के लिए I will show some sequences. See here, 10, 20, 30, 40. Can you predict the next one?
50.
Okay, and what we are observing in this one, that if we add 10 to each term, we are getting the next term. Okay, plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 करते जाएंगे तो next term आते जा रहा है. And see this one, 100, 70, 40, 10. Can you predict the next one?
-20.
-20. Yes, right. So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं? We are adding -30. Right? Negative number. Negative number if you are adding, then the numbers will be in the decreasing order. Fine. One more we'll see. -3, -2, -1, 0. Can you predict the next one?
1.
1. So what we are doing here? We are adding 1 to each term to get the next term, the succeeding term. 3, 3, 3, 3. What is the next term?
3.
3. So we are getting 3 here. Okay. Next, -1.0, -1.5, -2.0, -2.5. What is the next one?
-3.0.
-3.0. So this is decreasing or increasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing.
Decreasing, right? So decreasing order means we have to add the negative. So यहाँ पे क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं हम लोग? -0.5 we are adding, -0.5 to each term. Fine. So यहाँ पे each of the numbers in the list is called term. And what we are observing here, we are getting the next term by adding a fixed number to its preceding term. So that progression is called arithmetic progression. That list of number is called arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Why? Because the first term don't have any preceding term. Okay, and this fixed term is known as common difference. Fixed number is known as common difference, that is denoted by small d, and first term we will denote it by small a. And this common difference can be 0, can be positive, or can be negative. So here also यहाँ पे positive है क्योंकि increasing order में देखो, and here the common difference is negative. Why? Because this is decreasing order. And here all the numbers are same. That means the common difference is 0. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So usually we will denote it every number by A1, A2, A3, A4 like that. Suppose we are denoting the first term by A1 and the second term by A2 and so on up to nth term by An and the common difference by D. So the AB becomes A1, A2, A3 so on up to An. Okay, and the difference between these two, that is A2 minus A1. What is A2 minus A1?
D.
D. And what is A3 minus A2?
D.
Right. So A2
D.
minus A1, A3 minus A2, so on. An minus An minus 1 is equals to D. Means if you subtract any term with its preceding term, then we'll get the common difference. Okay? And the standard form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. Okay, so this is called the standard form of an AP, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. So this is called general form. This is also called general form of an AP. Any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move toward the nth term of an AP. So let A1, A2, A3 be an AP whose first term is A1, that is A, and the common difference is D. So how will you find the second term, A2?
A plus D.
By adding the common difference to its preceding term, that is A. Okay, A plus D. So what is the coefficient of D here?
1.
1. So we can write 1 as 2 minus 1. Now third term, how will you write?
A plus 2D.
थर्ड टर्म कैसे मिलेगा? सेकेंड टर्म में डी ऐड करो. You add the common difference to its preceding term. So third term का preceding term a plus d होगा. If you add a plus d, again you will get a plus 2d. So again we can write this 2 by 3 minus 1. Similarly, the fourth term a4, add the third term, add the common difference to its preceding term, that is third term. So we are getting a plus 3d, and 3 we can write 4 minus 1. So see carefully, यहाँ पे 4 है तो हम लोग इसको 4 minus 1 लिखें, यहाँ पे 3 है तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 3 minus 1 लिखें. If it is n, so what we will write here?
n minus 1.
Yes, n minus 1. So nth term, that is a n, is equals to n a plus n minus 1 into d, right? With the first term a and the common difference d, it is denoted by finally this formula you have to remember. And based on this formula only, we have to solve many questions based on nth term of an AP. Okay, now we'll move towards the first type of question, that is definition. So definition में I'm going to take the second question of 5.1. A and D is given. Okay. Arithmetic progression का first term और common difference दिया हुआ है. And we need to find the first 4 terms of an AP. Okay, so let us start with the first question, that is A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 10. So what is the first term here?
10.
10.
A.
10, right. Second term formula is A plus D, that is 10 plus 10. So what you are getting?
20.
20.
Okay, 10 plus 10, 20, right. Now A3 का हम लोग थर्ड टर्म का जनरल फॉर्म देखे थे, A plus 2D था,
2D.
right? A plus 2D. So 10 plus 2 into 10. So what we are getting?
30.
30. इसको हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, A2 plus D. A3 we can write A2 plus D. ठीक है, जो easy लगे that form you can apply. So 20 plus 10, it will give 30. Okay, now A4 you can write as A plus 3D as well as A3 plus D. Okay, so A plus 3 into 10. So what you are getting?
40.
40. वही अगर A3 में अगर हम लोग D ऐड करेंगे, that is 30 plus 10, then also we are getting 40. So first 4 terms are over. Now second bit, A is equals to minus 2 and D is equals to 0. If D is equals to 0, that means all the terms are same. But we have to show here. First term, minus 2. Second term, A plus D. So minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Third term, A plus 2D, that is minus 2 plus 2 into 0, that is 0, minus 2. And fourth term is also minus 2. Hence, the first 4 terms of the AP are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Now next question, A is equals to 4 and D is equals to minus 3. So what is the first term here?
4.
4. Second term, A plus D. What we are getting?
1.
4 plus
1.
minus 3.
1.
1, right. Now A3 is A plus 2D, or we can write A2 plus D, that is 1 plus minus 3. दोनों तरीके से कर सकते हैं. So फिलहाल अभी मैं इसमें substitute कर रहा हूँ 4 plus 2 into minus 3. So 4 minus 6.
Minus 2.
Yes,
Minus
minus 2. Next A4, A plus 3D or A3 plus D. So 4 plus 3 into minus 3. 4 minus 9.
Minus 5.
Minus 5, right. So we got all the 4 terms. Hence first 4 terms of the AP are 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. So only one bit is left, that is, I'm not going to solve every question, only few bits I took. So fourth bit A is equals to -1 and D is equals to 1/2. So this one. What is the first term?
-1.
-1.
-1.
Second term A plus D, that is -1 plus half. कितना होगा? -1 plus half. We'll get -half. Right? Now A3. A3 is A plus 2D. That is -1 plus 2 into 1/2. So 2 cancel, -1 plus 1.
0.
0. Right. और हम लोग A2 plus D भी लिख सकते हैं. That is -half plus half. 0. Now the fourth term A plus 3D. That is -1 plus 3/2. So 3/2 में से -1 निकालेंगे तो कितना बचेगा? और ये ज़्यादा इजी है. A3 plus D, 0 plus half. We'll get half. Hence, the first four terms of the AP are -1, -1/2, 0 and 1/2. किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now next question. AP is given. You have to find the first term and the common difference. Okay. ये सारे 1 mark के questions हैं. 1 mark के type के questions में आ सकते हैं. So see the first question. The AP is 3, 1, -1, -3. What is the first term?
3.
3.
And this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. And the first term is 3. And what is, how will you calculate common difference?
A2 minus
A1
Right,
minus
A2
A1.
minus A1. So 1 minus 3, what you will get?
-2.
Minus 2. So the first term is 3 and the common difference is -2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second question. -5, -1, 3, 7. A1, A2, A3, A4. So what is the first term here?
-5.
-5.
-5. Now how will you calculate D?
A2
minus
A2 minus A1.
So minus of -5 it will become plus. So -1 plus 5 कितना होगा?
4.
Right, 4. Next, no, we have to write the conclusion. Hence the first term is -5 and the common difference is 4. Now the third bit. 1/3, 5/3, 9/3, 13/3. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So first term is 1/3 and the common difference A2 minus A1, that is 5/3 minus 1/3. So how much you are getting if you subtract this two?
4/3.
Right, 4/3. So hence the first term is 1/3 and the common difference is 4/3. So only one bit is left here, this one, that is 0.6 A1, A2, A3, A4. So what is the first term here?
0.6.
Right, second term, the common difference A2 minus A1, that is 1.7 minus 0.6. So what you are getting?
1.1. 1.1. 1.1.
1.1. Okay, so hence the first term is 0.6 and the common difference is 1.1. So now we'll move towards the next type of question, that is we have to identify whether this will form an AP or not. Okay, and if it is AP then we have to write 3 more terms. So let us start with the first bit. 2, 4, 8, 16, so on. So here A1, A2, A3, A4 it is given. And we have to check that whether the difference between each consecutive terms are same or not. That is one way. ठीक है? और second, if you are able to identify in the question that कि particular number को add करने से next term मिलते जा रहा है, then you can conclude like that. Okay, but here we have to check the difference. So A2 minus A1 we will check first. What we are getting?
2.
2.
And what is A3 minus A2?
4.
4.
4.
So यहाँ पर ये दोनों अलग मिल गया. So we will write that these two are not equals to each other. So therefore, it will not form an AP. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If it will not form an AP, then stop. Next question. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now we will find A2 minus A1. So 5 by 2 minus 2, what we are getting?
Minus 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Right, 1 by 2. Now A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 by 2, what we are getting? 6 minus 5 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Very good. A4 minus A3, 7 by 2 minus 3. LCM लोगे तो 7 minus 6 upon 2. What you are getting?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
And so on.
1 by
So
2.
that means the difference between each consecutive terms are same. So it will form an AP and the common difference is 1 by 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now what we have to do? We have to find 3 more terms. So let us find the 3 more terms. A5. A5 कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? A plus 4D और दूसरा तरीका क्या है? A4 plus D. Right? A4 plus D. So A is 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2. So 2 cancel हो गया. So what we are getting?
4.
4.
Right. A4 यहाँ पे 7 by 2 था. ध्यान से देखो. And if you add 1 by 2, then you will get 8 by 2, that is 4. Right? जो easy लगे वो वाला method use कर लेना. Now A6. A6 is, you can write A5 plus D or A plus 5D. Substitute the value of A, that is 2, and D 1 by 2. So 2 plus 5 by 2, what you are getting?
9 by 2.
9 by 2. If you take LCM, you will get 9 by 2. Right. Okay. अगर 4 में हम लोग half add करते तो भी 9 by 2 मिलेगा. That is A5 if you are using A5 plus D. Right. Now A7. A plus 6D. That is 2 plus 6 into half. तो यहाँ पे कुछ cancel हो रहा है?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे 3 मिल रहा है. So what is the answer?
5.
5.
Yes, 5. So hence the 3 more terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Now the next question is, the given terms are minus 1 by minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. So A1, A2, A3, A4. Now we have to check the difference between each consecutive terms. So first difference, these two. See, minus minus plus हो जाएगा. So what we are getting?
4. Minus 4.4.
ये सब प्लस हो गया देखो.
Minus 2 point.
Yes, minus 2.0. That is minus 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll subtract these two. ये दोनों subtract करेंगे. So minus 5 by 2 minus of minus 3.2 minus 5.5. Sorry, minus 5.2 this is. Minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. तो ये plus हो जाएगा. So here also we are getting minus 2. Okay. So next one is A4 minus A3. That is minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. So again here plus, ये minus की वजह से plus हो जाएगा. So यहाँ पर भी हम लोग को minus 2 आ रहा. That means all the common the difference between each consecutive terms are same. So hence it will form an AP and the common difference is 2, minus 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we have to find the next 3 terms. So A5 निकालना है. A5. तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे सारे नंबर्स है ना, फ्रैक्शन नहीं है, तो मैं नेक्स्ट वाला दूसरा मेथड यूज कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज A4 प्लस D minus 7.2 plus minus 2. What we are getting?
minus 9.2.
Right, minus 9.2. फिर A6. A6 is A5 plus D. That is, इसमें minus 2 ऐड करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा?
minus
Minus
11.
11.
Right, minus 11.2. Next is A7. A6 plus D. So what you will get if you add this two?
Minus 13.2.
Right,
Minus
minus
13.2.
13.2. Hence the three more terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. So whenever the fraction will not be there, अगर fraction नहीं रहेगा तो ये वाला method ज़्यादा easy है, ये वाला. Okay, so now we'll move towards the next topic, that is nth term of an AP. Already we have seen the different types of questions. एक बार flashback कर लेते हैं. To find which term if AP is given, to find the term if other two terms are given, to find AP if any other two terms are given, to find the nth term from the end. इसका concept हम लोग नहीं देखे, तो ये वाला पहले देखेंगे हम लोग. To find the number of terms of an AP, word problems and some additional questions. So we'll see first this one because this is a new concept, new topic other than this 6. So let us start with nth term from the end of an AP. So how we have to solve, just you see, let A1, A2, A3 up to AN, B and AP, whose first term is A, that is A1, and common difference is D, and the last term is AN. So if we are going to write the AP in reverse order, then also the result, the numbers are in AP. Okay? अगर हम लोग सारे numbers को reverse order में लिखेंगे तो भी वो AP में होगा. So AN, A3, A2, A1 are also in AP, whose first term is AN, and the common difference is minus D with respect to this D. Okay, so now we can use the normal nth term formula. Okay, normal nth term formula, that is A plus n minus 1 into minus D. ठीक है, यहाँ पे first term क्या होगा? This is the first term. Okay, so I will explain with the help of one example. Suppose we have to find 11th term from the last term towards the first term, or from the end of the AP 10, 7, 4 up to minus 62. Okay, so now if we write in the reverse order, then also it is in AP. Now what is the first term of this AP?
Minus 62.
Minus 62. And what is the common difference? कॉमन डिफरेंस हम लोग क्या करेंगे, कोई भी टर्म को उसके प्रीसीडिंग टर्म से माइनस करेंगे. 10 minus 7.
3.
Right.
3.
So the first term here is minus 62, common difference is 3, and we have to find the 11th term. From the last term means this is the last term. Okay. Now AN, what is the formula of AN?
A plus n minus 1 into D.
Right. So what is A11? A11. A11 क्या होगा? फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे तो
A plus 10D.
right, A plus 10D. So if you use this formula, we will get A11 is equals to A plus 10D. That is minus 62 plus 10 into 3. So ये 30 हो जाएगा. So minus 62 plus 30. What you will get?
Minus 32.
Right, minus 32. So the 11th term from the last term is minus 32. Any doubt in this question? Okay, now we'll move towards the next question. उसमें जो first type का था, to find which term, okay, if AP is given. So which term in the AP is minus 22? So how you have to solve? First you write the AP, and what is the first term here?
5.
5.
What is the common difference? second term minus first term,
-3.
minus 3, right? So here a is equals to 5 and d is equals to minus 3. So let nth term is equals to minus 22. That is an is equals to minus 22. Now what is the formula of an?
A plus n minus 1 into d.
Yeah, yes, a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to minus 22. Now substitute the value of a and d here. A is 5 and d is minus 3. Okay. Now minus 3 को इसमें इंटू कर लो. So ये हो जाएगा minus 3n plus 3. Okay. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we will do? We will shift minus 3n to this side. It will become plus 3n, and minus 22 to this side. It will become plus 22. So we are getting 22 plus 5 plus 3. That is
30.
30. Right.
30.
So what is the value of n?
10.
10. Hence 10th term is minus 22. Okay. So now we'll move towards the next question. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the 7th term is 9. Okay. So this is the last question of today's session. To find the AP if two terms are given. That was the type of question. So here third term is given, that is A3. What is A3? Formula.
A plus 2D.
Right, A plus 2D. So here A3 is equals to 5 and A7 is equals to 9. So A3 is equals to 5 implies A plus 2D is equals to 5. You can write directly also. Let it be equation number 1. Now 7th term, A7 is 9. So what is the formula of A7?
A plus
Plus 60.
Right, A plus 60. So A plus 7 minus 1 into D is equals to 9, or you can write directly A plus 60. Let it be equation number 2. अब ये दोनों को solve करना है. तो any coefficient is same?
Yes, sir.
A. And the sign of both are same. So what we are going to do? Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Right, we have to do the subtraction. So subtracting 1 from 2. तो इसका sign change होगा. Minus, minus, minus. So this 2 will be cancelled, and what we are going to get? 6d minus 2d is
4d.
equals to 9 minus 5. That is 4d is equals to 4. So what is the value of d?
1.
1. Right. D is equals to 1. And now we need to find the value of A. So how will you find? Substituting the value of D in any one equation. So we'll substitute in first equation here. So A plus 2 into 1 is equals to 5. That is A plus 2 into 1 is equals to A plus 2 is equals to 5, और ये 2 को इधर shift करो. So what you are getting the value of A?
3.
3.
5 minus 2, that is 3. Okay. So first term is 3. What is the second term?
3 plus 1, that is 4.
3 plus 1, 4. Next plus 1.
5.
Next
5.
plus
Six.
6. Plus 1 6. Next plus 1 7.
7.
7.
ठीक है. तो इसको दिखलाने की जरूरत नहीं. We can write directly. Hence the required AP is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Okay. So any doubt here?
No, sir.
Right. Now we are moving towards the next section, that is assignment questions. So first question में you have to write first term and common difference only. सारे छोटे छोटे ही हैं. And the next question also you have to write first term and common difference, but you have to write 2 more terms. And the third question also you have to write first term and common difference, but here you have to write 3 more terms. And in the fourth question you have to check whether this will form an AP or not. Okay, clear? ऑलरेडी हम लोग ये वाला कर चुके हैं, ये वाला कर चुके हैं और ये वाला कर चुके हैं. These three are going to repeat. So no problem. You have to complete, and I will send it through Google Classroom. Okay. So now only I will send. So after that you complete it and send me through Google Classroom. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.